My name is Seti and welcome back to the channel where we make educational technology easy for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create quick little polls just like these in Microsoft Teams, and you can set it up in just a few minutes. So let's dive into it with another flipped classroom tutorial. Now let's start by opening up Microsoft Teams. Now once I'm inside my team and I'm going to use the demo staff team here, I'm going to use two different ways of creating polls. Now I want the poll to appear on my main general channel, and so I'm going to go to that dialog box down below. Now here you can see start a new conversation, but you will also see that there is an extra icon here that says poll. Now if you do not see that icon, simply click on those three dots next to it. Now when you click on those three dots, then you can type in poll at the top and pull in that poll option. Now this is the first option. This is using Microsoft Poll. So let's go ahead and do that right now. We're going to create a new poll and I'm going to enter my question. So I'm going to ask, what would you like to drink? And then we're going to give them a number of options. We have some water, maybe we're going to have some Coke, or maybe some fruit juice. And there we go. We can also add an other. Once everything is set up, the last step is to share this poll. Now before we share it, we are going to give it a due time. So let's say that we want answers by the end of today. So let's go ahead and select today and then 4 p.m. We can make it visible to everyone, or we can make sure that the results are just visible to myself. I'm going to make them visible to everyone, so let's just leave it as it is, click on back and then next. As soon as I've done that, we get a little preview of what this poll will look like in Microsoft Teams, and then we can send it. So let's go ahead and send, and here it is. You can now see this poll within our Microsoft Teams. We can go ahead and vote, so I'm going to vote for some water, and then submit that vote. This will now give me the results down at the bottom saying that I have responded, and I can click on view results to see the results of this poll. Now this is the first way that you can make a poll or quickly release a poll into your Microsoft Teams. Now the second way, that's my preferred way, and that's creating a quick poll using Microsoft Forms integration. Down at the bottom, we're going to click on those three dots yet again because we want to integrate with Forms now. So let's go ahead and select Forms. And when we go down to that dialog box and select Forms, we get the quick poll option. So let's go ahead and create that same poll. What would you like to drink? We're going to give them a number of options: water, fruit juice, and then maybe other. Now you can tick the box to allow for multiple answers, and this is great when you want a range of different replies, but I'm going to leave it as it is. I'm going to click on next, and then we get that preview again. Now remember, this is not using Microsoft Polls. This is using the quick poll option within Microsoft Forms. So here is the preview. Let's go ahead and send it, and then you will see that in Microsoft Teams that poll is shown onto the main page, and we also have the results down below. Now, as people submit their votes, let's go ahead and vote for water, submit that vote. Down at the bottom, these results will reflect that. You can also see how many responses you've gotten, and as I change my vote, you will see that these responses down below also change. Now where can I find the full results, and where is this poll? And let's say I want to delete this poll. Well, you can always open up your forms. So let's go ahead and do that now. We're going to go to Forms, and then here you will now see that amongst my forms, one of these is my poll. You can see here that it says it's a Teams quick poll, and that is the Forms quick poll option. So these two ways will allow you to quickly create a poll, share it with your students or colleagues, and get some responses. Now, it takes just a couple of seconds to set up, and in no time you will have results. Now for even more on Microsoft Teams, click on that playlist here or watch one of the other videos. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.